Do not let your hearts be troubled. Huwag niyong papabayaan na inyong mga puso ay pababalisa. Ang tanong, bakit inuutos ni Jesus na huwag nating papabayaang mababalisa o matatakot o mag-aalala ang ating mga puso? Why does Jesus command us not to let our hearts be troubled? The answer, because our hearts were not made for trouble. Our hearts are not made for fear. Our hearts are not made to store our problems. Para saan ang ating mga puso? Ang ating mga puso ay ginawa para tayo ay makapagmahal. Our hearts were made so that we can love. We are made not to be sad all the time, but we were made out of love so that we can love. Kaya mayroong kang puso para ka makapagmahal. Tanong po, ano ang mas masarap na gawin? Yung magmahal